when painting a pineapple using gouache. Special attention should be given to its distinctive shape, intricate texture, and vibrant color transitions. Here are some key techniques to achieve a realistic and visually appealing result. Composition and sketching the outline. Before applying color, lightly sketch the basic outline of the pineapple with a pencil. Focus on maintaining proper proportions and ensuring the leaves fan out naturally without being overly symmetrical. Additionally, lightly mark the diamond-shaped texture on the pineapple's surface to serve as a guide for later detailing. Color selection and base layering. The primary colors of a pineapple include shades of yellow, orange, and brown, while the leaves feature green and blue-green tones. Start by applying a light yellow base to the fruit and gradually layer orange and brown to build depth and richness. For the leaves, use a dark green base and blend in hints of blue or yellow to create variations in tone, texture, and detail rendering. Skin texture. The pineapple's rough, scale-like surface should be carefully painted using small brush strokes. Outline the diamond patterns with darker shades and highlight the edges with bright yellow and orange to enhance dimensionality. Leaf representation. The leaves have a natural curvature and transition in color from the base to the tips. Use a wet and wet blending technique for smooth transitions and sharper brush strokes for the pointed edges. Light and shadow effects. Highlights can be achieved with white or pale yellow, while shadow areas should incorporate purple or blue to maintain color balance and avoid dullness.